Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Microsoft Office Shapes to create art. In this video I'm going to show you how to make graph paper with shapes. So we start off, we go into Insert, Shapes, choose a rectangle, and just make it large for an 8.5 by 11 inch page. So like that. I like to change it to fixed position so it's easy to move around. Now what we're going to do is we're going to Shape Format, Shape Fill, and we select No Fill. For the outline, I'll just make it a gray. Then we go into Shape Format or Format Shape. And you can also right click on the object and you can go Format Shape and it'll still bring you to the same spot here. We select Pattern Fill under the Fill. And I'm going to select this shape here, the large grid. But I'm going to actually make it a light gray. You could do a light green as well. That one works well if you wanted that. I'm just going to leave it as a gray. So now I'm just going to copy this, paste it in, save it again. All right. I'm going to go Shape Format, Fill, and the one next to it looks okay. So you have two styles. You can actually change the background if you wanted it like a darker color. Let's just say yellow. And then the front, if you want it black, this should be a little bit lighter. And this one as well. Choose a lighter yellow. You can do it that way. Or again, you can do it like a green color. So if you go here, say this is white. You can also get rid of the border if you wanted to, or just change the border. Shape outline. You can print it if you just need one page, or you can photocopy it. If you're going to photocopy it, you can make it in a gray. And that's it. Thanks for watching.